Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with a normal makeup tutorial. I feel like it's been a while since I've done one of these on our channel, but I'm super excited because I'm using a brand new palette from Morphe. This is the 35G Bronze Goals palette. So if you guys want to see what this palette is all about and also how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids with the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Vanilla. And I'm just applying a nice even base and then setting it with some translucent powder. And this is the new Morphe palette right here, the 35G Bronze Goals. And this packaging is absolutely stunning. And this palette is also really beautiful. So many gold and brown shades. I was so tempted to really dive in to those gold shades, but I have a lot of gold and brown smoky eyes on our channel right now, so I kind of wanted to do something different and just really play with that cranberry shade that you see in that right corner. But I feel like a lot of people are really gonna love this palette. First thing I'm doing is picking up this shade right here called Sandy, and I'm just buffing this into my crease with a crease brush and just really kind of hugging that outer corner and just kind of bringing it in and doing windshield wiper motions. Next, I'm picking up this angled brush and this dark black eyeshadow in the shade Deep End, and I'm just starting to apply a line in the crease. I wanted to do something with a lot of depth, and I really wanted to add some black into this look. I haven't done a black eyeshadow look in a while, so I'm just kind of applying that line, and I'm going above my natural crease, just kind of right smack in the middle of my lash line and my brow is where I like to aim for. And then I'm grabbing a pencil brush and the dark brown eyeshadow in the palette called Heatwave, and I'm just going in left and right motions, just kind of smudging and diffusing that black eyeshadow and just kind of applying a nice gradient. And then picking up a small tapered brush and some more of that Heatwave shade and just really diffusing that outer corner and just really making that edge nice and blended. And then going in with our crease brush and some more of that shade Sandy just to really diffuse everything together and make sure that everything looks nice and blended. And then we're going to be carving the crease. I'm going to be picking up my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer, and I'm just going to be carving my lid and kind of doing a half lid, so just kind of carving the first half of my lid and just really precisely kind of applying that all over the lid as a nice even base also. And then I'm picking up this cranberry shade called Hotness, and I did wet it with a little bit of Fix Plus, and this color was super pigmented, but I didn't really like how it looked by itself, so I definitely wanted to apply a glitter in the crease. So I grabbed my NYX glitter glue and I applied that really precisely in my crease with an angle brush. And then I picked up this pink glitter by NYX that comes in this glitter trio. And I'm just kind of patting that over top of where I applied our glitter glue with this really precise angled brush. And I actually really like the way that this turned out. I liked it a lot better than just the shadow on the lid. But go ahead and let me know if you guys want to see more tutorials using this palette with no glitter, and I will happily do that for you guys. Then I picked up my pencil brush and some more of that dark brown eyeshadow, and I just kind of patted it where I wanted it, and then I grabbed a small tapered brush and just kind of diffused it. And then I'm doing the same exact thing with our black eyeshadow in the color Deep End, just kind of patting that exactly where I want it. And this is a good tip for controlling darker shadows. And then lightly I applied some black onto that small tapered brush and just kind of feathered it in ever so lightly. You still want to control the product, so just pick up very little. And then I'm going to be lining my lash line. I picked up my liner by The Balm. This is called Schwing liner, and I love it because it's super matte black. Then for lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bahama lashes. If you guys want 15% off that lash, go ahead and use Bahama at checkout. And that code actually expires tomorrow, so make sure that you use that code if you want to get some coins off of this lash. Then for the lower lash line, I just applied the transition shade, and then I applied the pink shade on the inner half of the lash line. And then I just grabbed this smudger brush and just mixed all of those shades together. And then I'm going to be applying my mascara. This is my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then for inner corner highlight, I decided to pick up this really light champagne shade called Glare in the palette. And I just popped that onto the inner corner. This is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you guys watched it to the very end, thank you so much for all of your constant support and all of your beautiful, wonderful comments that you guys leave. I start my morning every morning by reading every single one of them. So thank you so much to everybody that takes time out of their day to leave a comment. And also, we are about to pick our giveaway winner for the month of March. So if you want to be entered for that, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Good luck, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!